Uy! What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Nicole or Joslin, and today we are just gonna be revamping my desk. Now, you guys know that I have one desk over here. That's one desk. But I have another desk to my left, and it wasn't there for the longest time, but I decided to put it there because this is the area where my Wi-Fi is the strongest. And during the quarantine, I did have to do a lot of online classes, a lot of online learning, and it's just the desk where I preferred to do a lot of my arts and crafts, my DIYs, and basically things that would get really messy. It's kind of like my creative nook where I get to really express my creativity. And some of the classes that I took to learn these arts and crafts are actually classes from Skillshare, which is the sponsor for our video today. Skillshare is an online learning community that I've been part of for a few months now, and there are actually a lot of classes that I've already tried out, and some of them were really interesting. If you guys have been part of my channel, you already know that I took journaling classes and studying classes and videography classes, but they have so many more classes. Like, they have thousands of classes taught by professionals in their fields. Learning on Skillshare is easy, convenient, and you can do it on your own time at your own pace because videos are very organized and they're usually less than 60 minutes long, and they are divided into really short parts that you can take step by step. Now, I'm an amateur in a lot of things, but I really love learning. I really love being able to express my creativity and enhance it. And on Skillshare, I learned a lot of new skills. The ad-free content is super worth the $10 a month, but because this video is sponsored, the first 1,000 subscribers to click the link in my description box will get 2 months of free Skillshare premium membership. So if you are a lifelong learner, if you are creative, and if you want to enhance your skills or learn a new one, then this is the perfect community for you. I'm really glad that I'm part of it, and now you guys can be too. So make sure to click the link in the description box for that super steal 2 months worth of free Skillshare premium membership. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how I revamped my desk and what I'm gonna be using it for. I hope you guys enjoy. Before I throw away all of these, I just wanted to do a quick throwback because these were the papers from first year when I was doing Math 17 and chemistry, and it's just crazy. But these are all of my notes. This was scratch paper from an exam, from a DepEx in Math 17. Oh my god, let me just like flat lay this for you guys. Okay. Alright, throw that. Ooh, this was for Psych 10. Developmental. Oh, this is cool. It's actually still pretty useful. This was a Math 17 prob set. Okay, Math 17 is considered hard, so if you guys can like answer this, there kayo na. Ooh. This was just the prob set. Parang seat work. Ganun. Ooh, trigonomic equations. Oh yeah. Chem 14.1. So, yan. Yan yung grade scale. That's what you have to get to be uno. So yeah, they usually give you a syllabus for the class. Beginning of the year. I don't know if I should save this. I mean, it is very historical, but like, I don't think. These were some of my earlier notes. I used to be a huge index card studying person. Yeah, I'm not super proud of them yet. I was just beginning. Chem Lec. Wee. God, this was my Math 17. Grabe. God, I remember I'd cry. These aren't mine. Why is this with me then? Goodbye.
Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers, flowers to me, flowers today, instead of sending flowers, come back to me.
Okay, so just to give you an overview, that's one desk. Here's another desk, and ta-da! Here's my new desk. So I guess I should give you guys a little desk tour, tell you what this is all about, what's going on. So over here is just this drawer compartment area thing, I guess. This is just where I keep my stamps. And then over here is where I keep my jewelry stuff. And then over here is just some paper for my packaging, some tissue. And then this is where I keep my orders. I already have 2 orders for my friends. And then this is where I'm gonna put more orders. And then over here is just like my tools, my electric fan, my tape. And then I just have a little table here for this side because this is also the area where I do my online classes. And sometimes it's always good to have an extra table around. And then over here is just where I keep some of my already finished products and just some stickers. So cute. And then over here is where I'm gonna put more of my products. And then this is just my cutting board. I'll link it down below. Also, I'll link something similar to this thing down below. And then over here is just my wooden platform, I guess. And this is just some of my designs. And I'm so excited to be selling these. These are the first that I've made and they look super cute. I'm so excited for you guys to like see them, maybe, hopefully. And then over here is just this grid that I put, and then I just have more of my earrings here, and yeah, this was my failed first try at it. You know, you don't get it right the first time, but they turned out so pretty. And then I just hang, this is actually like from a shower curtain that I just reused, and it's just perfect because I get to hang my ruler, my scissors, and then over here this is just my drill. I got to film my framed butterflies. And then over here is my laminator, which I'll link down below in case any of you guys want to buy a laminator. Over here is my laminating film. So yeah, tape, just some more chemicals. Oh man, I almost forgot this guy. This guy goes somewhere over here. Perfect. Okay, so this thing I got from Shopee. I'll link the link in the description box. It did get to me kind of broken just because it wasn't packaged so well. So if you guys order this, make sure to tell the seller to like put cardboard inside. This is like the best one that I found, like price wise and ratings wise. So I'll leave that in the description box. And then this is just where I keep some of my tags. Dried flowers over here, more dried flowers over here. This is how I dry my flowers. And then these are just my loose dry flowers, and just some more of my unfinished stuff. Over here is my washi tape. I'll leave a link to the washi tape dispenser. I know a lot of you guys asked me about this last time, so I'll leave a link down below. And then just stamps, my cutting mat, and then I just hung this stand over here because I use it for my iPad sometimes, and also my flat lay filming. And then I have this hanging plant thing, but I don't have the plant yet, so there's that. And then I just have my string lights, and you guys have been asking me about this. I will also leave a link in the description box to the exact shop where I got them. They're very reliable. I like it. And then this thing, my mom just bought somewhere. I don't know where she bought it, but it's pretty useful. It's just where I keep the tissue that I've already cut, and also my packaging. And then over here is just a bucket for some trash, more string, more tools, and just my glitter and glues all over here. And yeah, that's my desk. I hope you guys like it. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed seeing how I revamped my desk. I also hope that you guys can support me in my Instagram art shop if you want to see the different arts and crafts that I do and would want to purchase them as well. I really enjoyed making my desk look really nice and functional, I guess, for my arts and crafts and jewelry making. If you like this video, I hope that you can give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more videos. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, I love you guys so much. Hugs and besos. Stay safe.